online class. Good morning. My college is Indriya Priyadarshini Government Degree College for Women, Nampalli, Hyderabad. Today discuss the topic is economic importance of algae. Presented by B. Jagan Mohan, lecturer in botany. This topic contents introduction, useful activities of algae and harmful activities of algae. The biological and economic importance of algae. Introduction is algae are ubiquitous, practically occurring in every habitable environmental across the globe. Majority of algae are abundant in stagnant waters. They have also been reported in habitats like hot water, springs, ice, damp soils, rocks, crevices, tree trunks, old walls, garbage pits, and waste bunks. Free floating assemble of algae also constitute a hug group of algae which are known as phytoplankton. The economic importance of algae. Here first scenes from olden days, alga species are intimately connected with human beings as a source of food, medicine and other uses. Algae are taking an active role in human beings. The useful aspects, activities, the first one is primary producer. Algae are the main oxygen producers in aquatic areas. They are also useful in decreasing water pollution by realizing oxygen. 10% of photosynthesis is occurred by the algae in total photosynthesis. Quantity. With this activity, all algae forms 1.6 to 15.6 into 10 to the power of 11 tons of carbonic material like food. Here primary producers, algae are primary producers of organic matter in the aquatic environment. Because of their photosynthetic activity, they provide food to aquatic fauna and they make the environment suitable for the existence of organisms by releasing oxygen into the environment. They constitute the main link in food chain. Next, second one is alga as food. Here some points given below. Alga species are used as for food in several countries and in several forms. Alga species have proteins, vitamins A, B, C, and E, lipids and minerals. Laminaria species is the important edible seaweed in Japan, and the food item kumbu is prepared from it. And Onoriform monostroma, Asakusa nori from Porphyra are prepared in different countries. Porphyra has 35% protein, 45% carbohydrates, vitamin B and C, and niacin. Nasdaq is used as food material in South America, and they are rich in proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Potassium, sodium, and chloride are formed in ionic from in seaweeds. Among chlorophyceae members, vulva, monostroma are used as food in Japan. Chlorella is well known for its high proteins and lipids content. Chlorella is cultivated on large scale in Taiwan, Japan, Germany, and USA. Among Phaeophyceae seaweeds, Alaria, Laminaria, Sargassum, etc. are used for food. Laminaria is the important edible seaweed in Japan and the food item. Kumbu is prepared from it. And third one is algae as fodder for cattle. Here, Rhodymania palmata is used as food for sheep in Norway. Laminaria Saccharina, Palvitia, Ascophyllum, etc. species are used as food for cattle. This is the Chlorella, Laminaria, and Nasta. Next, fourth one is algae as food and fodder. Algae species are used as food in several countries and in several forms. Algae species have proteins, vitamin A, B, C, and E, lipids, and minerals. Laminaria species is the important edible seaweed in Japan, and the food items kumbu is prepared from it. Algae as fodder. Here some points in this slide. Many seaweeds are directly used as food for cattle, poultry and aquatic organisms. Example here Laminaria and Fucus. Seaweed meal increases the egg laying capacity of poultry. Algae in agriculture. Here algae as green manure. Sargassum and Gracilaria are commonly used as green manures in agriculture. Seaweed manure increases the yield of barley, potato, coconut plants, and citrus, etc. Next to nitrogen fixation, biofertilizers. Many blue-green algae, here blue-green means cyanophyceae algae or cyanobacteria. The blue-green algae have the ability to fix the atmospheric nitrogen in the soil. Example Nostoc, Anabaena and Spirulina. Algae used for reclamation of soils. Saline and alkaline soils and can be converted into productive soil by growing some blue-green algae. Algae as fertilizer. Here some points. Blue-green algae are treated as biofertilizers from olden days. Here Nostoc, Oscillatoria, Cytonema, Spirulina, etc. are used for biofertilizer to rice fields. All these algae fix the atmospheric nitrogen. Cultivation of Spirulina is gaining importance as food for fish, poultry and cattle. Here seaweeds are rich in copper, iron, zinc, cobalt, vanadium, molybdenum, manganese and boron. They are used as fodder and feed to livestock and poultry in many European countries and South India. Gracilaria meal when fed to hens they yielded more eggs. Ascophyllum, Laminaria and Fucus are used as stock feed. And Spirulina when fed to fishes, poultry and cattle their productivity improved. Cultivation of Spirulina is gaining importance as food for fish, poultry and cattle. Rhodymania palmata is used as food for sheep in Norway. And alginates. Here alginates are the salt of alginic acid found in the cell wall of Phaeophyceae. Alginic are extracted from Fucus, Laminaria, Macrocystis and Padina. In India, sargassum is used for extractions of Alginic acid. Alginic acid is unsuitable in water and hard when dry. Sodium alginate is used as seizing material for waterproof material in the flame proof fabrics, plastic and paints, mineral in surgical decreasing rollers of type of writers and butans in textile industries. And next, Finori. Here Finori, it is a type of blue obtained from a red alga Glopitals furcata. It is type of glue obtained from a red alga. It is used as an adhesive as well as sizing agent for paper and cloth. Chemically, it is similar to agar agar except that there is no sulfate ester group. And next one is minerals. Here the mineral is a water soluble crystalline powder obtained from seaweeds like sargassum and turbinaria. It is used as sweetener in food stuffs for diabetic persons and also in pharmaceutical preparations. Fucodine is a mucilaginous products obtained from brown alga like Chondrus and Fucus. It finds use as blood anticoagulant. The brown seaweeds popularly called as clepsweed, postas, soda and iodine. The weed is collected, air dried and then burned in kilns. Here iodine is extracted from laminaria, euclinaria, and iodine is an important constituent of thyroid hormones. Some seaweeds are rich source of iron, zinc, copper, manganese and boron. Bromine is extracted from red algae such as Polycyponia and Rhodymania. About 45 elements are found in a seaweed's Macrocystis pyropharia. This is minerals and algae in industry. Here mainly agar agar. The many products of commercial and pharmaceutical importance have been derived from algae. Agar agar The agar agar is obtained commonly from species of Gelidium, Gracilaria and Candrus. A agar is a jelly-like substance of great economic value. It is obtained from certain red algae like Gelidium, Gracilaria and Gigartina. In most of the countries, Gelidium serves as the raw material. Agar is used as a culture medium for growing alga, fungi and bacteria causes it contains glycodes and a sulfate melts between 90 to 100 degrees C and becomes solid at low temperatures. It is used as stabilizer and emulsifier in food and cosmetics, leather and pharmaceutical industries. It is used in canning of fish, in making the capsules of antibiotics and as laxative. In India, large quantities of agar are produced in Chilka Lake, Cape Comorin, Pamban, Andaman, Kathiawar Cut. This is agar agar. Here more points. The greatest use of agar is in associations with food preparation and in the pharmaceutical industries. As a laxative or an intercarrier for a drug products where so release of the drug is required. Agar is used in bacteriology and mycology as a stabilizing agent in growth media. Agar is used a stabilizer for emulsions and as a constituent of cosmetics, skin preparations, ointments and lotions. And next, carrageenan. Here carrageenan, it is extracted from cell walls of red algae like Canandrus and Gigartina, etc. It is a polysaccharide ester feed with sulfate. It used as emulsifier in pharmaceutical industry and also in textiles, leather, cosmetics and bearing industries. It also utilized in the textile, leather and bearing industries. Next, chlorella. Chlorella has been intensively used for standing the path of carbon during photosynthesis. Valvonia and Halicystus are especially suitable for experiments on membrane permeability. The blue-green algae are used in studies on nitrogen fixation. Next, disposal of sewage. The sewage is a big sanitary hazard causing epidemics and mosquito menace. Algae help in bacterial decompositions of sewage by producing oxygen released during the photosynthesis. Otherwise, due to lack of aerations, anaerobic breakdown of sewage takes place, resulting in unpleasant odors. For this purpose, sewage oxidation ponds have been created for treating the sewage. Initially, Euglena, later one replaced by chlorella and chlamydomonas are grown in these ponds. The mineral rich water is used for irrigation and the alga can be used as manure and mineral feeds. Here some species like Chlamydomonas, Cynidesmus chlorella, Pondorhyna, Uridinia, etc. are living in sewage water. Algae in reclamations of alkaline are user soil. Our countries has more number of alkaline soils or sterile soils. Blue-green algae like Nostoc oscillatoria, Cytonema, Spirulina are used to modify these soils into fertile soils. Algae in industry. Iodine industry is made dependent upon algae. Algae belongs to Phaeophyceae like Laminaria, Eclonia, Ezinia, etc. are used in the industry to prepare iodine. Phylophora is used to prepare iodine in Russia. Antibiotics. Antibiotics here. Chlorellin obtained from chlorella is effective against in number of pathogenic bacteria. Extract from Cladophora, Lyngbia can be kill pathogens Pseudomonas and Mycobacterium. Laminaria is used as one of the modern tools for options. Seaweeds have beneficial effect on gall bladders, pancreas, kidneys, uterus and thyroid glands. Algae are richest material. Here in biological research, algae are useful because of their rapid growth, brief life span and easy mode of cultivation. Chlorella semidesmus and anastastis are used in investigation in photosynthesis. Blue-green algae are used in studies on nitrogen fixation. Researches in genetics and cytology are carried out on Acetabularia. Algae in spice, chlorella and Senecococcus are finding application in spice ships and nuclear submarines as oxygen regenerating and food and water recycling organisms. Algae in recreational use. Some select algae are grow in recreational areas like lakes and streams along with fish. Tantophilia giving reddish color to land lakes beautiful. Adocladium imparts velvety appearance to the soil. Vacheria gives parrot green color to gardens. Algae in soil fertility and land reclamation. The species of Nostoc, Cytonema, Alusura, Lingioba, Microcoleus, Aphanothesia, Anabina, etc. show adaptability to most soil surface and most of these can fix atmospheric nitrogen and increase the soil fertility. Due to their mucilaginous sheath, they are able to prevent soil erosion by binding the soil particles firmly. Next, harmful aspects of algae. Here, harmful of some algae species like Microcyst langubia are develop water blooms in water areas. They secrete taxi materials into water and polluted the water. Some algae species are caused for some skin diseases. Here, dinoflagellate is caused for the death of fishes in water. Here some point given and some algae species like Microcystis languia are develop water blooms in water areas. They secrete toxic materials into water that they polluted the water. The alga cephalus Virsicans causes for red rust tea in tea plant. Some algae species are caused for some skin diseases. Diamphologe lead is caused by their death of fishes, water. Harmful alga blooms and their effects. Harmful alga in sea and in fresh water. Alga toxins and their effects and symptoms. Fish killing algal blooms. Monitoring of harmful alga. Here blooms. Here bloom means when bloom a blue green algae spread or bloom thanks to optimal weather conditions. The algae can turn the water a greenish, bluish, reddish or brownish color and create a scummy film on the surface of area. Next, toxicity. Cyanobacteria blooms are made of tiny cells. These cells can house various chenotoxins or cyanobacterial toxin. When cells break, the toxins are released into the water and can be harmful to humans and animals. Next, blue-green algae include endotoxins and cytotoxins, which along with the other types of toxins can irritate the skin diseases or skin allergy. Here symptoms. Drinking cyanobacteria, tainted water or eating cyanobacteria, infected fish, cold rustle in headaches, stomach headaches and stomachs, fever, diarrhea, nausea or vomiting, etc. Algae and water pollution. Here, the algae produce both positive and negative effects in water pollution. While moderate growth of algae in water bodies is beneficial in oxygenating water, excessive growth causes nuisance and harms aquatic animals. The major causes of proliferations of nuisance algae is due to depositions of nutrients into the standing water bodies. This is called eutrophication, and blooming of algae is the consequence of eutrophication. Many genera can produce water blooms. Example here: Microcystis, Anabina, Oscillatoria, Hydrodictyon, Chlorella, Cynedra, Cyclotella, Euglena, and Chlamydomonas, etc. The growth of alga in reservoirs, swimming pools, and water filters result in the abnormal taste and odor, besides productions of toxic substances and clogging of water filters. Control of their growth is done by two methods: biological control and chemical control. The biological control is affected by virus, the cyanophage, and several other phycovariaceae. They attack the alga and causes lysis. The chemical control is by applications of algicides like chlorine, copper sulfate, potassium, permanganate, etc. Dichlorophin checks the growth of planktonic algae in swimming pools. It is inexpensive and non-toxic to animals and humans. It is the caused by water pollution, and water pollution causes some algae given below. This is the Anabina and Oscillatoria, Chlorella and Chlamydomonas. So this topic is over. And this is the economic importance of the algae. Algae introduction and useful activities and harmful activities of algae. This topic is over. So thank you.